Hi everyone, I'm Annabelle from Job Pedal and I'm here with Brian, who is the Business Development Manager at Securecorp. So Securecorp are a leading national provider of security, cleaning and integrated services. So Brian, what sets Securecorp apart from the competition?
In my experience, Securecorp being a large company uh, nationwide across multiple states and territories, we currently got our head office in Melbourne. We've got an office in Queensland and here in New South Wales. We've got work across Tasmania, Western Australia, South Australia. The list goes on. We've got a lot of experience in the retail shopping centre environment with security, and not just retail, but we do have contracts with alternative providers and clients. To New South Wales Securecorp, we're looking at a $20 million contract at the moment, company at the moment, and I could probably say that the difference is, that we're a company that employ all our staff direct on. We're all about our people. We're all about our staff and our teams, and happy to help everywhere we can.
And so what do you look for when you're hiring security officers?
To be honest, obviously there is components of experience in certain positions, but that's not to say that we can't get anyone. We're literally looking for someone who can speak well, customer service, literacy, and basics. That's the basics of it, I guess. You learn as you go on the job.
Absolutely. So we're here today at Granville at Sector, and I've got a Sector student here, Srajul, who has a question for you as well.
Sure.
Hi, Brian. And Annabelle. Brian, my question is, as I haven't got any experience in security field, I'm new to this field. So would I be hired as a security officer in Securecorp?
Definitely. So at the moment, I can say that we've got a large number of new candidates from who've recently just obtained their security license at if not every one of our sites that we have, and we put them on board, and again, like I said, we train those people and develop them into succession.
Thank you.
Thanks, Srajul. Does any other Sector student have any questions?
What are your hours like? So are you on a 4-on 4-off sort of basis, or?
Okay, so every contract that we have is slightly different. Rostering of hours shift wise is different. Example, with the retail industry, most of our shopping centers is a 24/7 security. So there's a rotational roster that can vary from 6 to 6 day shift and 6 to 6 night shift on a rotational basis, and like I said, they can vary from any time frames really.
Does anyone else have any questions?
Brian,
Yep.
Brian, I live on the Central Coast. Do you have work up that way? The reason why I'm asking is I don't want to travel to Sydney every day, but if there was work around my area, I'd be looking or wondering if do you have work there?
At the moment, I don't believe we do have anything out that way.
Anyone else have any questions for Brian?
Hi, Brian. Brian, my question is, as you said, you have your contracts in the retail sector. So do you have anything in the corporate sector as well? Or do you have any plans to go in the corporate sectors as well?
Yeah, no, definitely. Good question. We do have contracts in the corporate field. We've got some sites in the city that, in the Sydney CBD, that look after protective concierge and corporate buildings as well.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Anyone else have any questions? That's it for today. Great. Thank you so much for that, Brian.
No
Thanks,
Thank you.
Srajul.